यो कोठा आरामदायक छ. This room is cozy. This room is cozy. C-O-Z-Y, cozy. यो शब्दको अर्थ हो आरामदायक. This room is cozy. अझै केही वाक्यहरू हेरौं. ऊ एउटा आरामदायक ठाउँमा बस्छ. He lives in a cozy place. He lives in a cozy place. हाम्रो घर आरामदायक छैन. Our home is not cozy. Our home is not cozy. ध्यान दिनुहोस् C-O-Z-Y र C-O-S-Y दुवै cozy हो. दुईटै भन्न मिल्छ. अर्थ उही हुन्छ. Our home is not cozy. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. तिम्रो कोठा कतिको आरामदायक छ? How cozy is your room? How cozy is your room? अर्को अब आरामदायक ठाउँमा बस्न धेरै महँगो पर्छ. It is expensive to live in a cozy place. It is expensive to live in a cozy place. Expensive को अर्थ महँगो. It is expensive to live in a cozy place. तिम्रो कोठा त कति आरामदायक छ. Your room is so cozy. Your room is so cozy. यहाँ so को अर्थ कति हुन्छ. so लाई राम्ररी बुझाइएको अर्कै भिडियो छ. यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. Your room is so cozy. मलाई न्यानो र आरामदायक ठाउँहरूमा बस्न मन पर्छ. I like to live in warm and cozy places. I like to live in warm and cozy places. उनको कोठा न्यानो र आरामदायक छ. Her room is warm and cozy. Her room is warm and cozy. अब अर्को शब्दको वाक्यहरू यो हेरौं. उनी टन्नै पैसा कमाउँछिन्. She earns a lot of money. She earns a lot of money. Earn को अर्थ हुन्छ कमाउनु. She earns a lot of money. तिमी कति पैसा कमाउँछौ? How much money do you earn? How much money do you earn? पैसा कमाउनु छ भने कडा मेहनत गर. Work hard if you want to earn money. Work hard if you want to earn money. अब यो वाक्य. उसले वार्षिक 10 लाख रुपैयाँ कमाउँछन्. He earns $1 million every year. He earns $1 million every year. Million भनेको 10 लाख. He earns $1 million every year. उनी म भन्दा बढी कमाउँछिन्. She earns more than I do. She earns more than I do. म धेरै पैसा कमाउँदिन. I don't earn a lot of money. I don't earn a lot of money. म धेरै पैसा कमाउन सक्ने ठाउँमा काम गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to work in a place where I can earn a lot of money. I want to work in a place where I can earn a lot of money. गलत तरिकाले पैसा नकमाऊ. Don't earn money the wrong way. Don't earn money the wrong way. तिमीले आफै पैसा कमाउनु पर्छ. You have to earn money yourself. You have to earn money yourself. Earn शब्द पैसासँग मात्र प्रयोग गरिदैन. अब यो अर्को वाक्य हेरौं त earn शब्दकै. इज्जत कमाउनु पर्छ. You have to earn respect. यसले भन्न खोजेको हो इज्जत आफै आउने चीज होइन, त्यो कमाउनु पर्ने चीज हो. यसरी earn लाई प्रयोग गर्न मिल्छ. You have to earn respect. उनको भरोसा जित्ने कोशिश गर. Try to earn her trust. Try to earn her trust. हामी नेपालीमा भरोसा कमाउनु भन्दा पनि भरोसा जित्नु भन्छौं. हुन चाहिँ एउटै हो. Try to earn her trust. उसले उनको माया पाउनमा सफल भयो. He was able to earn her love. He was able to earn her love. यो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. तिमीले कसरी बिर्सियौ? How did you forget? How did you forget? Forget भनेको बिर्सनु हो र यसको past tense forgot. How did you forget? दुवैको वाक्यहरू हेरौं अब. यसको बारेमा कहिल्यै नबिर्स. Don't ever forget about it. Don't ever forget about it. माफ गर, मैले बिर्से. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, I forgot. मैले झन्डै बिर्से भन्न चाहिँ I almost forgot. I almost forgot. Almost को अर्थ झन्डै. I almost forgot. म तिम्रो बारेमा कहिल्यै बिर्सने छैन. I will never forget about you. I will never forget about you. उनको बारेमा बिर्स. Forget about her. Forget about her. अब यो हेरौं. उनलाई बिर्स. Forget her. Forget her. Forget about her भनेको उनको बारेमा बिर्सनु र forget her मात्र भन्दा उनलाई नै बिर्सनु. Forget her. आफ्नो फोन ल्याउन नबिर्स. Don't forget to bring your phone. Don't forget to bring your phone. उनीहरूले के बिर्से? What did they forget? What did they forget? मैले तिम्रो नाम बिर्से. I forgot your name. I forgot your name. के रामले यो लिन बिर्स्यो? Did Ram forget to take it? Did Ram forget to take it? एक पटक यो हेरौं अब. मैले बिर्से. I forgot. I forgot. मैले भुसुक्कै बिर्से भन्नलाई चाहिँ I completely forgot. मैले भुसुक्कै बिर्से. I completely forgot. Be sure to like and share the video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. मलाई सहयोग गर न ल. Please help me. Please help me. अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं न. मलाई सहयोग चाहिएको छ. I need help. I need help. Help भनेको noun को रूपमा सहयोग हुन्छ अथवा मद्दत र verb को रूपमा चाहिँ सहयोग गर्नु अथवा मद्दत गर्नु. केही वाक्यहरू हेरौं, छर्लङ्ग पारौं. म सबैलाई सहयोग गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to help everyone. I want to help everyone. म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्न आए. I came to help you. I came to help you. उनीहरूलाई तिम्रो सहयोग चाहिन्छ. They need your help. They need your help. आएर मलाई सहयोग गर. Come and help me. Come and help me. तिमीले मलाई सहयोग गर्यौ भने म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you if you help me. I will help you if you help me. म तिमीलाई जसरी सक्छु सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you however I can. I will help you however I can. ल, आजलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have an amazing day.